Okay, hello, sixth period. This is Miss Whitaker, and this is your video. I am going to talk to you a few things first about some important things. Every class is getting a separate video, so that's why it's taken me a while to get to you guys, because I've had to do these in between my real Google Meets that you didn't come to. So the first thing I talk about is Mrs. Drism sent out a call out last night, and it went out as an email to your parents regarding what's coming up. And what she said was this Friday the 15th can be the final date that we can post any assignments, and that if you are caught up and you have everything turned in on Friday, then you are done. But you have to get confirmation from every one of your teachers. She said that specifically, confirmation from every one of your teachers, whether you have to email them or whatever to find out that you're good to go. If you're watching this video, I will be showing you who is missing what. I'll be making phone calls Friday afternoon to let your parents know that you are or you are not done and you got to keep working. So please take care of the stuff I'm giving out right now so I don't have to call your parents on Friday. It saves me time, okay? You do not have any new work this Thursday or Friday. You will just have an attendance question that you can answer on Thursday and then one on Friday. This Google Meets is a grade 2, so this will actually be your last grade behind the Taco Bus grade. If you want to know your current grade, you can email me, and I can tell you, do not go by the Google Classroom grade because that is not accurate. So let's get started. First thing is missing work for period 6. This is not you all. This is my first period, but I kept this up here from my first period just so I could talk to you about this real quick. Ms. Drism asked that every teacher send out in their AC class the link for them to do Keystone selections in their AC class. So I did it as an assignment because we're supposed to let Ms. Drism know by Friday the 15th who has not completed the form so that she knows who she needs to contact to let them know they need to do it. So this was the only way I knew that could tell me who hadn't done it and who had. So if you have not received a link from your AC teacher about Keystone selection, you need to send an email to your Keystone teacher asking for that link. So that's why I left this up here for me to tell you to ask your AC teacher. If you did it, then you're fine. Taco Food Bus project. The following people, these 4, have not completed the project or have not clicked turned in. Do not just click turn in if it's not done, because I will return it back to you with a comment telling you what you need to do. Again, just because you click turn in does not mean your work is complete and say your parent, oh, all my work is done, because no, they will be getting a phone call from me. Okay, so it needs to be completed and then turned in. You may get it returned if something is wrong, and then you can fix it and resubmit it. I will put in the comments what is wrong. This is Google Meets from last week. These people have not watched a video or filled out the Google document that lets me know you watched a video. Last week was imperative that you watched a video. It was long, but it went through this project in detail. So if you did not watch the video, you're probably a little bit stuck. So make sure that you do this. This is an assignment. It will be incomplete as a Z if you do not do this. The other Google Meet from the week before, 4/22, again, these 3 people need to complete the video and the Google form document attached, and then click turn in. The next thing is this is your weekly assessment from 4/17. Kayla, you need to do this. And this is under Google Form quizzes, which is step 4. These other things at the top, these things and above, are under important info. But this is under your Google Form quizzes. And I think that's it. Everybody else has turned everything in. So super great for period 6. Other important news, spring dance refund. I know the deadline for your parents was April 24th to fill out this Google form. This was sent on Instagram for Bach Academy North, but it was also on Facebook, and I believe it went out as an email, but with a link. So if they had paid for a ticket and then want their refund, I'm not sure if they're going to still do refunds after 24th, but it'd be worth a try to send Miss Tammy or Miss Sharon an email asking for that. Yearbooks are shipped out, and they should be here the first week of July. They will send an announcement with the pickup time and date. They'll also deliver if needed. Yearbooks are still on sale till May 22nd, and I know there are about 11 left last time I checked, but you need to check with Mr. Daniels if you are interested in a yearbook. Last but not least, Kona Ice will be on Saturday, the 16th from 11 to 1 at the First Baptist Church. So bring your cup and you get a BOGO. That doesn't mean you get a buy one, get one free Kona Ice. You get a buy one, get one free teacher. Me and Miss Simpson will be there, so you'll get to see both of us. So we will be excited to see you, so please come out. They're also going to be selling shirts for $10, and they're new shirts that you can wear on Friday. So I'll show you those right now. Hold on, let me get to the Instagram for Bach North. Here we go, and you can see the shirts. They look like this. They say Night Strong, and they're $10. $10 for any size, okay? The next thing is, and they'll be selling that on Saturday, the shirts with the Kona Ice. My Instagram, I want to show you real quick. This is a quick video of Jade Drake. I just posted one. I'll be posting many of them when I go through them about the project, so you can kind of see a great example right here. You notice she did the totals. I need to see your totals. A lot of people are not doing that. They're just putting prices. She did hers on the slide. You can draw it out and send a picture in. And this is important. You have to do the area and perimeter of these items in your two-dimensional bus. So just make sure that you do that, the area and perimeter for your items that need to be on your bus. Again, if you are confused, please go back and look at my Google Meets video from last week, and it walks you through that. It's long, but it's very, 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 very helpful. I hope you guys have a great summer. I hope your work is all caught up in all your classes. Make sure you reach out to all of them and make sure. And if you, my .net, please send me an email over the summer. If you want to, tell me something or you have a question, I'll be glad to answer. And I would love to hear from you. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And don't forget, go Knights.